This video will demonstrate how to create a repair parts work order for fabricated parts or rebuild work orders. After logging into EAMS, we will access the work order screen by selecting the Work menu and then Work Orders. As previously shown, the work order screen will open in a blank Ready to Enter form. We will use the following details: bus fab for equipment. We will tab down to the standard work order field and we will enter bus-fab, and then we are going to search for the remaining parts of the standard work order. I have 4 options. I'm going to select bus fab parts and then OK. I'm going to come to the description field and I'm going to enter my part number. Save the record. Now we're going to come to the Repair Parts tab to add the parts, quantity for repairs, and assignment. Enter the part number again. Tab to the Conditions field. Search for the condition Core. Select Core. Click OK. Tab to the Quantity to Repair field and enter 3. Submit the details. Now we're going to assign the repairs. Select your part line, select the Actions menu, and then select Assign Repair Details. A pop-up screen of repair details will appear. Look for the correct bin that the cores are located. Select that column, Quantity Assigned, and then enter your quantity for repairs. The quantity for repairs and assigned do not have to match. However, the quantity for assignment cannot be greater than the quantity for repairs. Submit your details. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.